juicy succulent chicken, crispy roast potatoes, carrots and peas for aesthetics. Let's make a Christmas roast dinner. To softened butter, rosemary, thyme, zest of a lemon. If flavor had looks, I bet she'd look like this. Bring on the chicken, a touch of salt and pepper. Separate the skin from the flesh. Stuff the compound butter. The chicken deserves a nice massage. Stuff a lemon. Oh, trust me, it fits. Onion, carrots, celery, thyme, salt and pepper. A twinkle of olive oil. Chicken stock. Bring on the chicken into a hellfire for 1.5 hours. Ocean water. Potatoes go swimming. Bring this to a boil. When they look like this, give them a rest. 30 minutes in, baste. A heavy twinkle of lube into the hellfire. Once nice and piping, in goes the potatoes. Now back into the hellfire. Give your chicken one last baste and back into the hellfire and a high. Wait, bend over. Oh, wait! If your chicken doesn't being chilling, are you even making chicken? Remove the wingtip, cover with foil and let her rest. Chicken's old roommate, bacon, the wingtips, and reduce the stock. Back to the potatoes. Add in the compound butter, bruised garlic, into the hellfire for 45 minutes. Once nice and reduced, add in some flour, chicken stock, and let it bubble till well thickened. Squirt in some lube, pre-boiled carrots and peas, just a touch of salt and pepper. Pass it through a strainer. After 3 hours of hard work, you can feed this to your ungrateful auntie. Ow! A hit of that thick gravy.